Hi everyone, it's Melissa McEntee. Have you ever been in a Google Meet that you believe you started and you did not have host controls? Well, this video is for you. It's going to demonstrate exactly who gets host controls, and I will show you how to resolve it if you find that you are in a meet with students or with other staff members that you do not have the host control. On the left-hand side, I am acting as if I am myself. Here's my picture right here. Over here on the right-hand side, I am logged in as a sample teacher. So in this demonstration, the sample teacher over here on the right and me are both going to log in. In this scenario, we're logging into our class. The first person who selects this link and gets to this page is the host. Doesn't matter who clicks join now first. It's whoever gets to this page first. I'm going to demonstrate that now by coming over here, and now as the secondary teacher, the sample teacher, I'm clicking on that link. I was the first person to get to this splash page. I was the first one to click the link from Google Classroom. But this person is actually going to click join now first. I want you to watch what happens. So the sample teacher joined in first, and now I will join in. Okay, and what I want you to notice is this. The individual with this symbol is the host. That person is the host. Sorry, on the right-hand side of the screen, even though that person had selected the link first to join the meet, it doesn't matter. This person over here on the left-hand side, that's the person that selected the meet link from Google Classroom first. So that's the host. The host has the ability to create breakout rooms and create polls and also ask questions. So if you need those things in your class and you do not have that symbol, then you need to ask everybody to leave the meet, and we need to restart it again, making sure that you are the first person to select that link. So just to demonstrate, make sure that you see this here, breakout rooms. I can use breakout rooms over here. Over here, it says that only the host can assign people to those breakout rooms. So what would I do if I found myself in a Google Meet where I needed host controls and I did not have them? I would make sure that all of my students logged out of the meet. So I would come over here to the people indicator. I would tell students that they needed to hang up, close the tab completely, okay? They need to close the tab completely in order for them to be removed and you to have access as the host. So you would remove them physically or tell them to sign in. Once everyone is out, including the other teacher, I will leave on this side too. And then as the teacher, what I would like to do is I want to go back to my classroom and I want to choose the settings and I want to change that link. Okay, so we just want to refresh it. So here we can see that the meet link ends in SYF. I am going to reset. It generates a new link and students will be able to see that and they'll be able to select that link. Okay, so once again, you want to make sure that you are the first person to select this link. So you may need to tell any colleagues that are joining the meet with you or any of your students to maybe delay for 30 seconds or so, and then you want to be the first person to select this link. Also let students know that if they select that link and they see this indication here, no one else is here, what they should do is they should actually shut down that tab or wait a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or so, and then select this again, and they shouldn't choose to join unless they can see that you are already in the meet. So those are a couple of ways to safeguard, make sure that you have host controls. I hope this video is helpful, and I will see you again next time.